Ready with me. My husband's taking me out tonight, so I made this infinity jumpsuit yesterday. The jacket I bought. So guys, our tire burst this morning. The car's literally just parked outside and the tire just burst. So my husband is now trying to sort that out while I get ready. So my uncle passed away on the 27th, and I have not been feeling myself for the past couple of days. So I'm in the middle of applying my makeup, and then I remembered that I haven't moisturized my feet, so I'm doing that quickly. Let me show you guys the real me. So while I'm there, I'm wondering also, what is it about toes? What is it about a female's feet that men are just so crazy about? You know, guys, my husband has always said that I'm crazy. As usual, she's always doing this every time I can't do my makeup in peace. But anyway, it's fine. No, I didn't cut up a cucumber.
So, who took that much of a cucumber?
Actually, sort of loving this, the volume, but I don't want to regret it later. I'm asking my son, and he's not helping me. He's more concerned about who ate the cucumber, and nobody's owning up, so we don't know currently who ate the cucumber. Guys, did I tell you the other day I got stung by a wasp while folding up the washing? And that wasp was sneaky. How sneaky can you be hiding in washing? Guys, I saw this video of this girl making jail makeup. Oh my god. I had to try it, and I'm gonna video it. I hope that it comes out nice. Guys, my husband is calling me. I'll be back. So guys, my husband is at his tattoo shop. He just called me now. He said he's on his way home. Guys, I always have an issue where my left eye waters every time I do my eyes. Every single time. Like, what the hell? Guys, I don't know, but I'm feeling this here, like, I must keep it. Guys, we're taking a small snack break because honestly, I'm starving. Guys, I've done an eyelash, lip, and an eyebrow lamination. I will never do it again, guys. Don't do it. It's ruined my eyelashes and my eyebrows. Guys, I don't like lip color, so most of the time, just here with the lip gloss. Okay guys, my makeup is done now. I air dried it and then I ironed it. And so this is the actual final result. And I'm so excited. I love the way my hair turned out. And I'm looking forward to the rest of the evening.